We're here today getting a bunch of stuff done on this property. I just wanted to show you what's going on. We're grabbing some extra gravel for a concrete patio we're putting out back. Matt's going to take us around. Come on, Carly. We're going to take around and take a look at this job site real quick. Miguel came and installed a retaining wall across this project. So this is all just sloping off. The project had a whole bunch of large bushes in the back. Took the large bushes out, really did a minimalist landscape, have some boxes in the back. Fine line buckthorn is the tall ones, and azaleas in the front. Got the retaining wall. Let's go ahead and walk around back and check it out. Matt, you hit the pause button on that?
Oh.
Okay, so I wanted to show you the flagstone pathway that Matt and the guys are building. So we have these flagstone that we're building into a path that's going to go ahead and connect on around to the back patio. If we zoom down here, we got some options for the edging. We're kind of spray painting out the different shapes of how that's going to look with the retaining wall right there. And we have blue flags for some small perennials that are going to be coming up this springtime. You get pause on that?
On.
Okay, so coming around the corner here, the customer decided to utilize this back area as almost all patio. And so MC Hardscapes is in here installing patio, concrete poured, stamped concrete patio. You'll see that they've tied that back in. Go ahead and scoot on up here, Matt, a little bit. They've tied that back in with the foundation right here. They have rebar formed up the steps. We have gravel underneath the patio that's going to flow into a French drain. We can kind of see the French drain right here that Miguel's installed. So all the water from the patio is sloping off the patio, falling down into the pipe, and then flowing on around to the front yard. So hit pause for us. Okay, so two more aspects of this project. The patio right here had settled. This dropped down about a foot, and so we went ahead and just left that, and we drilled in, put in the rebar and the gravel, formed this up. So we're gonna have a patio. The air conditioning unit has actually been moved, and we're gonna pour that with concrete. It's the same stamped stained concrete, so the air conditioning unit will set right there. And then you got to check out these bushes right over here. About 2 weeks ago, these bushes were about 8-10 feet tall and about out like this. Huge burning bushes. I love dormant pruning because you can take large bushes and make it look brand new, fresh, clean without having to replace bushes. All you have to do is prune them. So we just pruned these down, makes it look brand new. The guys have weed barrier here. They're putting in edging in the concrete, and then we've got our chocolate mulch that's going over the top. Super excited how this is going to look come April. Thanks.